Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get IEEE format in Word. We will begin by understanding the fundamental elements of IEEE style, which is crucial for technical writing. Then, we will dive into configuring your Microsoft Word document to meet these specific guidelines. You'll learn the precise steps for inserting citations and automatically generating your reference list. Finally, we'll cover some key tips to ensure your document remains perfectly compliant with IEEE standards throughout your writing process. To begin, open a new document in Microsoft Word. First, set your page margins to 1 inch on all 4 sides, top, bottom, left, and right. Next, navigate to the Layout tab and select a 2-column format for the main body of your paper. For the font, use Times New Roman, typically at a 10-point size for the main text. Finally, ensure your line spacing is set to single throughout the entire document for a clean, professional appearance. Now let's tackle citations and references. Go to the References tab in Word. From the Style drop-down menu, select IEEE to ensure proper formatting. When you cite a source, use the Insert Citation feature, which will automatically assign a sequential number in square brackets, like 1. At the end of your paper, use the Bibliography tool to automatically generate your reference list, ensuring all sources are correctly formatted. Before finalizing your paper, conduct a thorough review. Double-check that all headings and subheadings adhere to IEEE capitalization and numbering conventions. Ensure your figures and tables are numbered sequentially and have clear, concise captions placed correctly. Confirm that all equations are numbered on the right-hand side and properly aligned. Finally, proofread your entire document meticulously for any grammatical errors or subtle formatting inconsistencies to present a polished, professional paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.